Now let us add some symbols to our drawing views. First, let us see how we can add a surface finish symbol. In the Home tab, click on the surface finish symbol. Select the surface where the symbol needs to be added. I'm going to select this surface. Click on the surface. You can choose open modifier, or any other option. You can also add text. I'm just going to show in the upper side as well as the lower text. You can add waviness, and you can see how the symbol looks like. Also, in case you want to add a balloon, click on the balloon. You can type the number for the balloon. In the leader, click on add new leader. Select the location and click on close to exit. In case you do not need a leader, click on the balloon, enter the text, and directly click on the drawing. Click close to exit.